Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn off Facebook notifications for pages you follow on your PC. Facebook's recent update has made it easier to manage these notifications, so let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook account in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Click on it to open your notifications panel. Now, in the notifications panel, you'll see a small three-dot menu icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the panel. Click on these three dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your notification preferences. On this page, scroll down until you find the section titled Pages You Follow. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply toggle this switch to the off position. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off notifications for all the pages you follow. No more constant pings about every post or update from those pages. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page if you want to turn the notifications back on or make any other adjustments. Facebook gives you the flexibility to customize your experience, so feel free to explore other notification settings while you're here. This simple process will help you declutter your Facebook experience and focus on the notifications that truly matter to you. It's all about creating a more enjoyable and less distracting social media environment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly streamlined Facebook experience.